Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're dyeing my hair this red and orange color. So to starting off, I bleached my hair off camera because honestly I wasn't going to record this at all. But I figured you guys would enjoy this. So all the products that I used today will be in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. The method for me dyeing my hair today is starting from the root to the bottom. So I kind of want like a dark red to light orange gradient effect. I'm just going to take each section by section at a time.
About a business running clinic, she got fish to fry. Not a minute where ambition don't supply the drive. Ornamental, she got candles that burn on both sides. And at the end of the month, my baby pays the bill. She's rolling in the dough and making deals. Cause she's a ball, my baby pays the bill. She's only 22 and got the skills. She got the soul. My baby does taxes on her own. Ain't no bank would hesitate to get a loan. Bluetooth for the phone.
So I left this dye on for like 10 to 15 minutes after deep conditioning, and this is pretty much what it looks like after being freshly washed. With Flexi riding my hair, I just make sure that my hair is completely damped, and I use the Miel twisting souffle, and I just make sure that my hair is completely detangled and smooth. So when I'm wrapping my hair on the rod, it is really important to make sure that your hair is completely flat around the rod so that your curls are defined and not frizzy whenever you take the Flexi rod out.
She's only 22 and got the skills. She got the soul. My baby does. Waking up at 7 while I'm fast asleep. Brewing up some coffee, saving some for me. Coming from the bottom till she climbs each step. Would get her and wonder what she might do next. I'ma let my baby right. She on the grind. And every day she stay running in my mind. She levitates, breaking ceilings in the sky. And at the end of the month, my baby pays the bill. She's rolling in the dough and making.
So I left these in for a day and a half, and you definitely want to make sure that your hair is fully dry before you take these out. If not, your curls will come out really ugly and damp, and we don't like that. But with separating your hair, you do want to make sure that you don't separate too much, because the more you separate, the less defined your hair will be.
She's a ball, my baby pays the bill. She's only 22.
I look like fucking Annie. The sun will come out tomorrow. Tomorrow. To wrap it up, this is pretty much what day 1 looks like of my hair, and this is day 2. Say hi. 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 Bye bye. Bye bye.
Don't be so quick to walk away. That's me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay. That's me. You don't have to admit you on the way. That's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. That's me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, save it.
is pretty much the end result. I want to say thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.